So the construct of how automation, AI, GenAI, AGI is changing is different today. It's agentic. It's actually reinventing processes to make it more efficient and hopefully more accurate. Lastly, what I would say is what we're also seeing is a term that you use, which is the advent of responsible AI, which is how do you manage to reduce bias, ensure fairness, and prove it to your internal risk stakeholders as well as regulators, and in fact, your market participants as well.
Yeah, I mean, that's music to my ears. We're very similar to KPMG in the sense that we have three guiding core principles when adopting AI, and that's making sure it's values-driven, human-centric, and trustworthy, right? So those are the three guiding principles. I think they resonate with what you mentioned there. I do want to press a little bit on your internal focus, right? I think in these large organizations, sometimes it's quite difficult to get everybody rowing in the same direction. Is that something that you're finding quite challenging within your organization? I can say I've definitely found it challenging within mine at different levels of the demographic. We're doing some exciting things. It's the first time globally we're holding a build your own agent competition, which I'm quite excited about to see what the outcomes are. But yeah, I would like to hear your view on how do you get everybody rowing in the same direction.
I'll give you what's been announced publicly recently. So our fiscal year just started. And yes, as many other large companies do, every once in a while, I think it's a little too often at Accenture, we've reorged, right? And the biggest reorg we have now is to be truly AI forward. So I used two terms a few minutes ago, mollycoddling and carrot and stick. I think the mollycoddling is over. Our leadership, so Julie Sweet's the CEO, and the management team is now, I wouldn't say pushing the organization, but yes, nudging the organization to move in that direction, whether it's training, whether it's getting more articulate with our clients on what to do, whether it's assembling teams to actually answer pretty meaningful AI discussions with our clients. And frankly, even using our internal AI tools, and there's many. So as an example, we just went through performance cycles for our staff. There's a significant amount of AI tools that we use internally to evaluate staff with humans in the loop. And now the firm is saying, you have to do this. You have to, the only way to be AI forward is not just doing it for our clients, but also doing it for ourselves. So I'm a big fan of this. I believe that if we can change our DNA slowly to get to that point, it's even more meaningful for our clients and us as a company, and to maintain market share.